Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix connection is not private error in Google Chrome, then watch this video for the solutions. Now the first solution would be to just simply reload the page. So if I am entering any website like this and I get the error, then all I need to do is refresh. I can click here or I can also click on the link and click enter. The other option would be to sync the time and the date. So this is very important because a wrong date and time can mess with the SSL certificate. So how we do this is we right click on start, we'll click on settings, we'll click on time and language, date and time, and we'll set the time zone automatically, set the time automatically, and we'll click on sync now till we get the tick mark. And then we'll again reload the page to see if this worked. If it doesn't, then we need to go into the incognito mode, and we do that by clicking on the three buttons here and opening new incognito tab. So we will enter the same URL in the incognito tab and see if it's working. If it does work, then that means there is an issue with your cache and your extensions. So what we will do is we will disable the extensions. We'll click on the three buttons. We'll go to extensions, manage extensions, and we will disable all the extensions. Or if you feel you need to isolate the extension, then you can remove them one by one and keep refreshing till you see which extension is causing the connection is not private error. So also you need to clear your history. So you click on the three buttons, go to history, click on history, click on delete browsing data, go to all time, and make sure these three boxes are checked, and you click on delete data, close the browser, then reopen the browser, and again look if this is working. Now if this also doesn't work, then we can try one more step, is we can update Google Chrome. We'll click on the three buttons, go to help, about Google Chrome, and this will update. If it's not updated, then it will update and we'll click install. The other solution which mostly will work, and after all these solutions, this solution folks, this should definitely, this error should not show up, and that is to disable the antivirus and the firewall. So what I will do is I will look for virus and threat protection, and I will go to manage settings, and I will switch real-time protection off. I will also go to firewall, look for Windows firewall. Here it is, Windows Defender firewall. Turn Windows Defender firewall on and off, and I will turn both of them off and click OK. And then I will check again to see if this is working. It should definitely work folks, and if it doesn't, then there's not much we can do but only use a better DNS. We can use the Google DNS. We can do that by looking for network settings panel. We do that by pressing the Windows and the R key. Type this command ncpa.cpl, click OK, and we'll get this box. Now right click and click on properties. Here we will double click on IP version 4, and we will click on use the following DNS server addresses. I will use the default Google DNS, that is 8.8.8.8, and the alternate DNS is 8.8.4.4, and click OK. And I will again go to Google to see if this error no longer pops up. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.